Good morning to all, everybody, students in online classes run by TSS English School, 87 RD Kaliganj, Belodi. Now, today, I, Ramanand Prasad Rai, want to teach you math class 10, T ratio of complementary angle. This sums has been taken from exercise 12. Now let us see towards the question number 7. Prove that sine 70 degree plus theta minus cos 20 degree minus theta is equal to 0. Now solution is going to be started. Cos 90 degree minus 70 degree plus theta minus cos 20 degree minus theta. Cos 90 degree minus 70 degree minus theta minus cos 20 degree minus theta. Cos 20 degree minus theta minus cos 20 degree minus theta, it is cancelled because here is the opposite sign, plus cos 20 degree minus theta minus cos 20 degree minus theta. So after subtracting from one another, it is cancelled. So here we have got 0 is equal to 0, which was to be proved. Now question number 8. Express each of the following in terms of T ratios of angles lying between 0 degree and 45 degree. Question number 1 is taken to solve sin 67 degree plus cos 75 degree. Here is written sin 90 degree minus 23 degree. Sin 90 degree minus 23 degree plus cos 90 degree minus 15 degree. Sin 90 degree minus 23 degree, as you know that cos 23 degree, plus cos 90 degree minus 15 degree, as you know that sin 15 degree. This is the answer. Now second question, cot 65 degree plus tan 49 degree. Cot 90 degree minus 25 degree is equal to cot 65 degree plus tan 90 degree minus 41 degree is equal to tan 49 degree. Cot 90 degree minus 25 degree, as you know that tan 25 degree, plus tan 90 degree minus 41 degree, as you know that cot 41 degree. This is the answer which was to be solved. Now question number 9. Look at page number 2. Question number 9 start to see if A, B and C are the angles of a triangle ABC. Prove that tan cos start A plus C divided by 2 cos clos is equal to cot into angle B by 2. Now answer is being given to you. We know that the sum of all angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. So here is written angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree, showing the figure ABC. Now angle A plus angle C is equal to 180 degree minus angle B. Angle A plus angle C divided by 2 is equal to 180 degree minus angle by 2. Here is written to the back side of it, dividing by 2 to the both sides. यानी दोनों पक्ष में दो से हम भाग दिए हैं. Angle A plus angle C divided by 2 is equal to 90 degree minus angle B by 2. On multiplying to the both sides with tan, so we get here tan angle A plus angle C divided by 2 is equal to tan multiple with 90 degree minus angle by 2. Tan angle A plus angle C by 2 is equal to cot angle B by 2, which was to be proved. Now question number 10. If cos theta is equal to sin 4 theta, where 2 theta and 4 theta are acute angles, find the value of theta. cos 2 theta is equal to sin 4 theta, which is given according to the question. Now as you know, sin 90 degree minus 2 theta is equal to cos 2 theta. So I have written here instead of cos 2 theta, sin 4 theta is written as usual. Sin cancel. 90 degree minus 2 theta is equal to 4 theta. 90 degree is equal to 4 theta minus 2 theta is changed into plus 2 theta after putting the is equal to sign. 90 degree plus 4 theta plus 2 theta is equal to 6 theta. Now 6 theta is equal to 90 degree. So theta is equal to 90 divided by 6, which is the result 15 degree as a quotient. Now theta is equal to 15 degree, which was to be solved. Now question number 11, 12, 13 and 14 can be solved by using the above procedure. Now question number 15, the last question of exercise 12 is going to be started. Now look at 2 by 3 cosec square 50 degree minus 2 by 3 cot 58 degree into tan 32 degree minus 5 by 3 tan 13 degree into tan 37 degree into tan 45 degree into tan 53 degree into tan 77 degree is equal to minus 1. Now as you know, cosec square 58 degree is equal to 1 plus cot square 50 degree, which is written instead of cosec square 58 degree, and 2 by 3 is written as before, minus 2 by 3 cot square 58 degree minus 5 by 3 tan 13 degree into tan 37 degree into cot 37 degree into 1. Here 1 is the value of tan 45 degree, so I have written here, and tan 53 into tan 53 degree into tan 77 degree is equal to cot 13 degree. So 2 by 3 plus 2 by 3 into 1 is equal to 2 by 3 plus 2 by 3 into cot square 58 degree. This is multiplied by 1 and this is multiplied by cot square 58 degree. So I have written here 2 by 3 plus 2 by 3 cot square 58 degree minus 2 by 3 cot square 58 degree minus 5 by 3 into 1 is equal to minus 1. Now 2 by 3 cot square 58 degree minus 2 by 3 cot square 58 degree. It is cancelled because of opposite sign, plus and minus. 2 by 3 minus 5 by 3 is equal to minus 1. So taking the LCM of 3 and 3, we get 3, and 2 minus 5, 5 minus 2 minus 5 is equal to minus 3 by 3. So I have written here minus 1 is equal to minus 1. This was to be proved. Now today exercise 12 has been finished on today, the date 2/6/20. Now it is finished. अब इसी के साथ मैं अपना विराम लेना चाहता हूँ. फिर नेक्स्ट चैप्टर क्वेश्चन यानी एक्सरसाइज 13 वह दूसरे दिन मैं स्टार्ट करूँगा. तब तक के लिए धन्यवाद.